Very good morning, children. Welcome to our social sciences class. Chapter 9, Lesson 9, Directions, Part 1, Video 1. Children, see this picture. See this map. This is Visakhapatnam map. And what is here, children? N. And here, what is this picture? What does it show, children? What are these letters? N, E, S, W. Have you remembered, children? Yes. These are directions. 4 cardinal directions. Already you learnt in 3rd standard. Isn't it? This is north direction, south direction, east direction, west direction. These 4 called as cardinal directions, children. This is our Visakhapatnam map. North side here and we are here NAD junction. Like this. Neelam madam put up a map of Amritsar with important buildings on the wall. She told the children that they would revise the cardinal directions that they had learnt in class 3rd. She marked the 4 directions and the school on the map. The children were very happy that they were able to locate the direction of each important place from their school. Like that, you also have to locate the direction of each important place from our school, children. And Neelam madam also showed a compass to the children. Now, I am also going to show you compass. Yes, what is this, children? This is a compass. A compass is an instrument that shows directions. The needle or hand of a compass always points to the north, and from that we can locate other directions. Understood, children? The hand of a compass always points to the north, children. Children, the first compass was invented by the Chinese. Now, the compasses come in different sizes, children. Some of them are so small that they look like wristwatches. The sailors, pilots, motorists, mountaineers, trekkers all use compasses, children. Next one, about the cardinal directions. How many cardinal directions are there? 4. The 4 cardinal directions are cardinal points on the compass are north, east, west and south. North and south point towards the north and south poles, children. The cardinal directions are also written as NEWS. We can easily remember the directions as news. NEWS. North, east, west and south. Children, the knowledge of cardinal directions helps us to find the way around our locality, follow the directions given by others, read the given directions, reach our destination without wasting time, children. Children, do you know sun also helps us to locate the directions. The sun rises in the east. In the noon, it is in the south, children. In the evening, the sun sets in the west. Moon can also be used for locating the directions, but it is not visible during a major part of each month, children. In some days, it will be very dark on Amavasya, near to Amavasya. Moon will not be visible. So, it will be difficult to locate the directions with the help of moon, children. Next, children. Children, look at the picture of this compass, children. Notice that four intermediate or intermediary directions are marked between the four cardinal directions, children. Have you seen here? NE, SE, SW and W. These four are called as intermediate or intermediary directions, children. The intermediate means in between direction between the north and the east is called as northeast, children. That is NE. Northeast is between north and east. Here, north and east. Southeast is between south and east. Here, children, south and east. SE. Southwest is between south and west. Here, SW. Northwest is between north and west. Here, NW. North, west. Children, in earlier times, when there was no compass, man followed landmarks to reach his destination, children. A landmark is a familiar sight, important building or signpost. Even now, people use landmarks to reach a place or direct others. Landmark is an object or feature of a landscape or town that is easily seen and recognized from a distance, especially one that enables someone to establish their location. So, landmark can be a person, specific or common. So, if a person says there is a specific building or a shop or a government office or monument, these all are considered to be landmark. So, if you have visited a place before, you can set your own landmarks, or if you haven't asked a local, he will help. In certain scenarios of address, a known location is considered to be a landmark. If anyone asked about our school, where is your school, where it is located means, what will we say? It is near to NAD junction, Baji junction. Baji junction is a landmark near to NAD junction. That is also a landmark. Children, do you know, while traveling on water bodies like seas, oceans, snow-covered mountains, or in thick forests, where there are no landmarks, stars guided the sailors at night. Shape or size of rocks helped the mountaineers and travelers made marks on the trees in the forest, children. Next, sketch. What is sketch, children? A sketch is a diagram drawn from memory, children. It gives us a rough idea of a place and helps in locating a place. It guides us with words like right, left, front, back, and gives some landmarks like a road, church, hospital, etc. See, children, look at the sketch on a wedding card. It guides the visitors to reach the venue at Maharaja Agarshian Bhavan, Delhi. It is located here, children. So, they give one sketch. Like this, like this, like this. We have to go and reach this destination. This is also another sketch, children. Reception venue. See, this is known as a sketch. Sketch is a diagram drawn from memory. It gives us a rough idea of a place and helps in locating a place. So, in this session, we learnt about 4 cardinal directions and 4 intermediary directions, about landmark and sketch. Children, that's all for today. We'll meet in the next session with some more interesting topics, and follow the assignment, children. First one, there are dash cardinal directions. Second one, people generally follow dash when they have to reach a place. Third one, in between the 4 cardinal directions, there are 4 intermediary dash. Fourth one, the hand of a dash always points to north. Fifth one, a sketch gives us a dash. Thank you, children.